Okay, so it has through some problems from birth certificate. Uh, Maybe this one. We have this circuit here. This is 5 volts, and we have this diode here. This is an ideal diode, and this is the load resistor. Okay. And here we put this waveform uh, like this. Okay. This is 20 volt. This is minus 20 volt. So what is the output? What is here? This is my V. So how to approach this type of problems? Yeah. How to approach this type of problems? Tell me. So what is the voltage required to make the diode forward bias? This is my, suppose this voltage here is V1 and this diode is ideal. Okay, this is not a silicon, it's ideal diode. So what is the voltage required at V1 so that the diode is forward biased? Tell me. What is the voltage required at V1 so that the diode is forward biased? More than 0.7 volt. Actually, Shubham, this is that was have been true if this is an ideal diode. But since this diode, sorry, at the true here is silicon diode, but since this diode is ideal, so any voltage greater than 0 volt is enough. Okay. So any voltage which is greater than 0 is enough to make the diode forward bias. Right? And if the voltage V1 is less than 0, negative, then this diode is reverse bias. Right? Okay. And how the current will flow? Obviously, the current will flow this way. I this will flow like this. So I is V in plus sorry V in plus 5 minus V diode by R, but for ideal diode V diode is 0 volt. So I is equal to V in plus 5 by R. If diode is FB, I equal to 0 if diode is RB. Do you agree with this? Anything you want to say? You want to disagree? Cannot see the chat. So you do you agree with this analysis? I is V in plus 5 by R if diode is forward biased, and I is actually 0 if the diode is reverse biased. Now what is V out? V out is obviously I times R. So V out equal to V in plus 5 if forward bias equal to 0 if reverse bias. Agreed? Right? Anything you like to say about this? So V out is V in plus 5 volt if the diode is forward biased, and V out is 0 if the diode is reverse biased. Diode is forward biased when V in V1 is greater than or equal to 0. Fine. So due to space constant, let us erase this part. Okay. So now when V1 is greater than 0, obviously when V is greater than minus 5 volt, correct? V1 is greater than 0 when V is greater than minus 5 volt because it's a 5 volt battery. So the diode is in forward biased. This is minus 5. So this part is reverse biased, and this part is forward biased. So obviously, of course, this part is also forward biased. Correct. And what did we see? We saw that V out equal to V in plus 5 for forward bias and 0 for reverse bias. So what will be the output? It will start from 5 and go like this. So this is 5 volt. This is 25 volt. Is it okay? Is it okay? See the curve? The curve will look like this. 5 volt. This is 25 volt. This is 0. See that? Right? Shion not 5.7 because diode is ideal. I have told you, right? The diode is ideal, so it will not take that extra 5.7. So it's okay. The left one is the right input, the right one is output. Fine. Uh, okay. So now, since you are interested, let us modify our problem a little bit, and you will tell you. Now, everything is the same. The only thing that is not same is that now the diode is simple. Okay. Now input stays the same. This is 20 volt. This is minus 20 volt. What will be the output? So why don't you have a go at this problem? Then only I will. Okay, now the doubt is silicon doubt. Now it's not ideal. Now what happens? Now 5.7 volts. What? When the In order to make the diode forward bias, what would be V1? First step. In order to make the diode forward bias, what would be V1? The first question we need to answer. Exactly, absolutely right. 0.7 volt or above. Right, perfect. Now, in order to have V1 0.7 volt or above, what would be V in? Yes, or could be absolutely greater than 0.7 volt. But in order to make this V1 0.7 volt or higher, what should be V in? 5.7. Are you sure? Are you sure, Sharon, about that answer? 5.7 volt. What is the minimum value of V for which the diode is forward biased? So that's the question. What is the minimum value of V for which a diode is forward biased? That's the question. What would be the answer? Zero. Hmm. So if the voltage is -1, is the diode forward biased? If V in is -1 volt, is the diode forward biased? No. Are you sure? If V in is -1 volt, diode FB or RB is the question. More than 5. Okay, but first answer this question. V in is -1 volt. That is when they somewhere at this point. At this point, diode is forward bias or reverse bias. You can apply this KVL and tell me. Apply KVL. It is forward bias. Yes. Anybody who think it is reverse bias, and why was this justification? It is indeed forward bias. Those who are saying reverse bias, why they are saying it's reverse bias? What is the logic of that? What is preventing you from typing? Just type, no problem. We are having a discussion. I am not teaching you anything. So you are free to give your viewpoint. -4.3 volt. That's a very good answer. Yes, that's a very good answer. Anybody else with another answer, please tell me. Anybody who agrees or disagrees with him? Sound is not 5 minus 0.7. It is actually minus 5 plus 0.7. They only get minus 4.3. See, obviously the voltage is required to make this diode forward bias to be at least 0.7 volt, right? Now, from KVL, V plus 5, that is equal to V1. So, if V1 is greater than 0.7 volt, obviously V should be greater than minus 4.3 volt, right? So, the diode would be forward bias if the V is greater than minus 4.3 volt, the reverse bias otherwise. Is this point okay? Is this point okay? Anybody else? See the repeat. Okay. See the polarity of the battery. See the polarity of the battery. We can apply the polarity is like this. So we can if I apply KVL, then V plus 5 because from negative to positive, that is equal to V1. Now V1 should be 0.7 volt or above for the diode is forward bias. So obviously V would be minus 4.3 volt or above. One by one, don't jump. Yes, I can repeat. Is okay? গ্রাফ করে আসছি, আগে জিনিসটা বলছো। ঠিক আছে, এটা ঠিক আছে, ঠিক তো হবেই, কিন্তু স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ লিখতে হবে। So, in order to have a diode forward biased, V should be at least minus 4.3 volt. All of you agree with that? Yes. Okay. So, this part is reverse bias. This part is forward biased. Clear? Right? Good. Now, the diode is reverse bias. Obviously, as we had seen in the last problem, V out is 0. I'm not repeating it. But what happens is forward bias. If it is forward biased, if it is forward biased, then we can again apply KVL. V in plus 5 minus Vd minus V out equal to 0, or V out equal to V in plus 5 minus Vd, that is V in plus 4.3. Okay. So when V out to V in was 0, it will be 4.3 volt. It reaches up to a peak, then it goes into reverse bias, then again like this. And this peak will obviously be 24.3 volt. So this will be my output from the book. Let's see. We have not given this problem. So this will be the answer. Agreed? Because this problem is not solvable. So there are so difficult. Can I speak a little bit louder? Yes. Oh, sorry, I didn't read this way. Now is it okay? I forgot to bring this down. Now is it okay? Okay. So any doubts about the question? Anything? The waveform? No. Fine. So now why don't you give me a question? Output is this one. This is the output. Okay, this is the output. Instead of 25 volts, it will be 24.3 volt. Okay, and the duty cycle would be a little bit smaller. So why don't you give me a problem? Anything you are don't having difficulty to understand, you want me to explain? But please don't give me any problem which I have already solved previously, because you will find the solution on YouTube. So no, please don't make me repeat. That's the only request. The problem which I have not solved in the previous class, only those give those. Because no point in repeating, you will find everything on YouTube videos. Why don't you give me a problem? Sir, ক্ল্যাম্পার সার্কিটের গ্রাফ তুমি ক্ল্যাম্পার সার্কিটের দেখাও, ওকে শেয়ার করো, আমি তোমার গ্রাফটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। কোন পার্টিকুলার সার্কিটের কথা তুমি বলছো? ইউ এই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপেও শেয়ার করতে পারো, এই যে আমার কাছে ফোন রয়েছে। Photo. Excellent. Just clear the pitch. The circuit is like this. Although this one also I have done in class, but okay, fine. This is silicon or ideal. Okay, later assume it is silicon. No problem. You can have it. I both ways. This is square wave plus minus 10 volt. Okay. So this is our circuit. So what happens when this is plus 10 volt? Here. The diode, initially the capacitor we assume to be uncharged. Okay. So initially VC is 0. And obviously the diode is forward biased. So the capacitor will charge itself through the diode. This will be by flow of current I0, right? And V in, this is my VC, minus VC, minus VD, that is 0. But we know for silicon diode, VD is 0.7 volt. So Vc equal to Vin minus Vd, that is 9.3 volt, and V out equal to Vd equal to 0.7 volt. So this will be my output. This part is clear. 1 second. This part is okay. All of you agree about the positive half cycle, negative half cycle, right? Now for the negative half cycle. Now this is already charged to 9.3 volt, and now Vin is minus 10 volt, right? Now what will be the direction of the current? Or better do it in this way. Better do it in this way. This way, and so the current direction might change. It will become like this. The diode is now reverse biased, so it will not flow through the current, will not flow through the diode, it will flow through the resistor. Is this part clear? Is this part clear? If this part is clear, then the rest of the problem is not an issue at all. Okay. Now see carefully. Vin minus VR. Note the VR now is like this, plus minus. Plus Vc, that is 0. Right? Vin is 10 volt minus VR plus Vc, that is 0, or VR equal to 19.3 volt. Assuming VR is to be like this, polarity is like this. So the polarity is the opposite, it would be negative or minus 3 volt. That is what? Okay. Now we are coming to a break. We are coming to, not here. What is not here? Okay, let's do one thing. We are coming to a break. The circuit I will not delete. After the break, we will discuss what you discuss. You check, you think about this for some time. Now fine. Okay, good. Anybody else? Anybody else? You can give your problem in WhatsApp. I will take it here. So if this problem is clear, I am giving you a homework which I will not solve. What happens if diode is ideal? I did it for silicon diode. What happens if the diode is ideal? This is your homework. I will not solve it. You try it at home. Okay. So less than 1 minute. So please cut off the meeting. Okay, and start afresh. Positive আছে শুধু 0.7 ভোল্ট লাগবে তো yes শুধু 0.7 ভোল্ট লাগবে assuming the capacity is uncharged. Because we assume that আমরা ধরে নিয়েছি যে ক্যাপাসিটরটা শুরুতে আনচার্জ ছিল. Okay, or cut it, start a fresh meeting. Okay, I'm cutting this off.